Hi, I'm David, and I work at a country club in the Los Angeles area.
Don't tell the name because they're gonna fire you.
Well, no, but the thing is that with a golf club or a tennis, with sports like that, people come in and they tell you that. I was asking the client, and I said, what's making your back hurt? And they said, well, I'm a golfer, and I know that my back is going to hurt after golf. I know I'm going to be in a lot of pain.
But I like to play golf, right?
But I like to play golf.
So I'm in pain every time I play.
So what they said to me was they take 2 Advil before they play the game. So before they start, they take 2 Advil or 3. And then they play golf and they do the whole thing. And then afterwards, they don't have as much pain. But later on, they do have back pain. So imagine you don't have a headache, but you think you're going to have a headache later on. So you take aspirin for that. I mean, it doesn't make any sense that you don't want to be taking medication when there isn't an inflammation, but it doesn't even make sense. When you're taking medications, you just have to remember that it's good to take it to get out of immediate pain sometimes, right? But you want to get to the root of the problem and fix it. So when they come into us, we do an evaluation of the musculature, or sometimes people call it fascia, but we look at the musculature, the range of motion, what's jammed. And then we do treatment on very specific areas, and we strengthen it up, and we get right to it. And a lot like these people I'm describing, I do fix them, and they're very happy because they get better finally, and they don't need to take the medication. But medication can be a trap because you don't want to constantly be using it to get out of pain.
You just drug yourself, and it's not gonna do anything. You just don't feel that sensation. And I'm sorry, the thing is with the golfers, the golf, it's #1 injury sports in the world. I'm serious. You know why? Because you're that office worker, whatever, traveling. You jump in your car, you think you're okay, you've been sitting all day long, do some whatever business, or you get up in the morning, never stretch, never do any exercise, never check your mobility, your thoracic mobility, your hip mobility, and you go play golf, which is powerful swing. You get all your body to swing in all different directions. If your torso swing to the left, your hips to the right, ankle, it's a big rotation everywhere. And if it's not there, it's not range of motion, you're going to injure yourself, and it's going to be painful, so painful. Trust me. Especially if you play golf, you have to take care of yourself, you have to know your body. But yeah, if you want to suffer and drink Tylenol or whatever, aspirin or ibuprofen, you just guys go for it. But if you want to play golf, feel great about it, you have to go through those manual therapy. And you don't need to be in Life RX Wellness. It's so many specialists up there. But if you're in Los Angeles, we'll definitely take care of you. Take care of yourself, golfers. Have a good day.
Bye.